Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Sheikh Faizan. Today's 17 January 2024. Today's my technical topic is arrays in Java programming language. First of all, what is array? Array is a object it is a data structure which is used to store same types of element. Array use contiguous memory location for storing the elements. Arrays are work on the basis of index. The first element is stored at the zero index, and second is stored at one index, and so on in contiguous memory location. Uh, Arrays, we can get the length of array by using of length method. I will discuss advantages and disadvantage of the array. First is advantage. The array, we can optimize our code by using of array. Array optimize our code by using of manipulating and sorting the element in by using of sorting methods or algorithm apply on it. Next is by using array we can randomly access element by using of index. We if you know index of the particular element, we can easily get that particular element. Next is disadvantage. The major disadvantage of the array is the fixed length. Means Java stored the fixed length of element, and its drawback we can overcome by using of collection frameworks. Its grow runtime. Next is there are two types of array. First is single dimensional array and next is multi-dimensional array. Single dimensional array is stored in a store element in the rows. For example, we create one array, that is array 1. First of all, the array declare by using of square bracket is the annotation of declaring the array. And next type of the array is multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array is store element in the form of rows as well as column. By using of two square brackets, we can declare the multi-dimensional or two-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array is also called as matrix. Next is Java provides we can declare anonymous array. It is help in the returning the array internally from the methods. Next is I will discuss the exception in array. The the JVM throw exception, that is array out of bound index. Means if we can try to get the index of a minus or equal to the array length as well as greater than array length, then JVM throws the exception. It is array out of bound index exception. Next is Java provides gauge array. Means in gauge array we can declare the odd number of columns as well as rows. By using of gauge array we can store the multi-dimensional direction element, and we can get easily by using of index. Next is in array we can perform the multiple operations. Means the addition of two matrix, multiplication of two matrix, and multiplication of the element in the overall array, and so on. So it is all about the array in Java programming language. Thank you.